para ma-align din natin si host and si tech.
Sige po.
Okay, para makapag-ready din yung hosts ko kasi mga ano pa oh. Fresh pa sila. Okay. Tech, are we okay? I'll give the instructions from here. Okay. Sige po. So, ang official start ng program natin will be 7:30 p.m. Okay? People will register in less than an hour. So, lahat sila papasok. Lahat ng nasa food services, please be ready by 6:30 kasi ipapa-open po natin ng 6:30
Ay, ako din.
yung ating banquet. Okay, dito tayo dyan. Thank you. Okay, so balik tayo sa program. So sir, since 7:30 magsa-start ang program, sa material na sinend ko, meron po dyan 5-minute countdown. That's the first video. So while people are coming in, I need music. Any random music lang. Just to set the mood. And then, ito lang yung monitor natin. Okay? Clear? Let me, raise your hand if may question na.
Wait lang, I think go.
Yung medyo bago ha. Or anything that's holiday or pampahype ng tao.
Ayan. Hindi
Okay,
nakabuo
so
sa
by
countdown.
7:25, this needs to be on the screen.
Lagi ko to sa
Okay,
harap.
hindi to natural ha. Pre-recorded to na countdown video. So by 7:25, ito po yung ating monitor. Good? Clear po tayo? Sige, let's play that kasi kadugtong yan ng ating opening video. Sige, i-forward natin sa last 30 seconds. Thank you.
Genesis team members in Manila, and I am gutted that I cannot be there to join you in your end of year celebrations. I would love to be there in person and to be able to say thank you to all of you for the great work that you've been doing. But I am pleased that I've also been given this opportunity to say thank you via video. I would like to add that so many of you have been just such great partners to us in the field this year that I'm frightened to mention anybody by name in case I miss someone. But I would like to call out some teams with a special thank you.
Sir, come forward. Let's
You've done a
forward.
great job. I'm going to start with exciting new partners.
Sige. So, for the host, so ito po yung magiging opening natin. So, after ng huling video, sige, after that, thank you. Okay, so after the video, papasok si singer, Pearl, pa-note ha. So after that video na opening ng messages ng leaders, kailangan ready na po yung first song natin, I Will Always Love You. Yung sa singer.
Giselle pala yun, no?
Ay, hello po. Kasama ka
Hindi
na.
namin pinipin ka, pero wala kayong magagawa.
Bakit?
Pangit eh. Wala kayong magagawa. Okay na yun. Pero mamaya pa naman na yun eh. Tingnan mo.
Party na.
So ang order po ng songs ay I Will Always Love You, tapos
Na-message.
Air Supply, Medley, Araw Gabi, and then ang huli ay I Wanna Dance With Somebody. Ganon. Gusto mo yan? Ayan, yung mic lang na host. Okay, so let's play the first music, I Will Always Love You. Pearl, I'll need your help later to guide them sa order ng ano, pero nasabit ko na siya.
Sabog ko lang.
Thank you. Okay, so yung last song natin ay I Wanna Dance With Somebody. After that, proceed na po tayo sa mga hosts natin.
Hindi, tatawagin ka pa ni Ami.
Okay na tayo sa music. Okay. So after nung last song na I Wanna Dance With Somebody, wala ka. Okay, wala pa si voice over, so I'll do it. So after ng music ni Lea Patricio, so we'll just acknowledge na lang ni voice over. Once again, that's Lea Patricio of The Voice PH Season 2. Tapos, ready. Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased. Mali pala. So, dito na tayo sa... Okay, so official start na tayo ng program. Okay. So ready na host? Okay, ako muna si voice over. Okay, let's give Lea a round of applause. What a great performance to kick off our evening. Welcome to the Excellence Ball, the Genesis Philippines Year-End Celebration. Get ready for an exciting evening filled with joy, laughter, and celebration. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your hosts, our very own Product Support Technical Manager, Drew Asidera. Microphone po. Ulitin ko, para naman kabog. Okay, sige. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host, our very own Product Support Technical Manager, Drew Asidera.
I-change mo ng battery.
Okay. Sige, that's good. That's why we're doing this para gamay natin. Sige, check muna yung mga host ng kanyang mga microphone.
Ay, kuya, wala. King! Ay, nag-work na pala.
Hello. Sige, I'll introduce ulit. Okay. So, ikaw, can you check your mic?
Hello?
Good. Edsel? Ay, si May Edsel lang nasa tech support. Okay, sige, let's ano muna. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host, our very own product support technical manager, Drew Asidel.
Hello everyone, good evening Wajens, how are you doing tonight? And let me hear some noise!
Woo, 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 woo.
Wow, that was electric energy in the room. It's so great to see all of you here, our rock stars, our innovators, our change makers, celebrating another amazing year together. Tonight is all about you, Wajens. It's our time to celebrate the wins, the milestones, and the moments that make truly unforgettable of 2024. I'm Drew Asidel, your host for this evening's program, but wait, there's more tonight. We're joined by not one, not two, not three, but four amazing co-hosts who will keep you entertained as we move through the different segments of this incredible night. Let's call on Amsel Turalba, Angela de la Cruz from Customer Success, Moria Lamorena from Global Dispute Analyst, and RC Cantilier from Customer Success Manager. And now that you've met our amazing co-hosts, it's time. May placement tayo. Yung for
Okay, so Tech, habang nagsasalita po yung host, reminder lang, mag-add lang po tayo ng music na content later para hindi din patay for the Okay, sige po, let's continue.
And now that you've met our amazing co-hosts, it's time to make this celebration official. Welcome to Genesis Philippines 2024. Tayong lahat yun.
Kaya nyo ba? Okay, sige, you start.
Okay, so again. Okay, so take two. Now that you've met our amazing co-hosts, it's time to make this celebration official. Welcome to
Genesis Philippines 2024. Ay, iba na pala. Sabay-sabay, di ba?
Sabay-sabay.
Okay, sige. Yung kami.
Pag sabi kong welcome to Genesis, kayo na doon.
Okay.
It's time to make this celebration official. Welcome to Genesis Philippines 2024 Year-End Celebration. Now, let's dive into an evening full of fun, excitement, and unforgettable moments. Are you ready, Wajens? We hope you're all excited as we are. After all the anticipation and preparation, we're finally here. The biggest events of the year of the Genesis Philippines. I must say, everyone looks absolutely stunning tonight, especially at the table 13. Wow, my goodness, special mention.
My table.
My favoritism. And I can see the excitement in the room. Speaking of excitement, I'm curious, how did you all prepare for this grand celebration? Personally, I've always loved the chance to dress up and feel the fantasy, especially for a night of big assists. But if I'm being honest, what I'm most excited about is the raffle. I heard there's a total of 500,000 pesos worth of prizes up for grabs tonight. Wow! But of course, there's so much more in store. We've got live performances, awards, the crowning of our stars of the ball, a 360 photo booth, and of course, the epic after party to look forward to. But tonight is more than just fun. It's about celebrating Wanjin excellence, our milestones, lessons, and achievements that make Genesis Philippines the true center of excellence. And we want to hear from you, Wajens. What are you most excited about tonight? Woo! Don't forget to share your personal highlights and use our official hashtags. Genesis Philippines, ipapashow ba dito?
I'll add na lang the slides.
Pero sasabihin ko, no?
Yes.
Okay. Don't forget to share your personal highlights and use our official event hashtags tonight. Genesis Philippines YEC 2024, Genesis PH Excellence Ball, and experience Genesis PH. Of course, a friendly reminder that this is still a company event, so your best behavior, both here and on social media, is greatly appreciated. Now, let's officially kick off this evening, amazing celebration and great unforgettable memories together. Let's make this night to remember, Wajans. Are you ready? Ready. To officially begin our program, we would like to invite our Manila side lead. Andito ba si Sherwin tonight? Okay. To officially begin our program, we would like to invite our Manila side leader and Vice President of Product Support, Sherwin Kent.
Okay, pause tayo. So sir, sorry, my bad. So pag sinabi nila yung hashtags, i-add ko na lang po yung slide na yun. So we can post it. Kaya pa naman ihabol yung slide ng hashtag. Okay, sige. Okay po, let's proceed to the welcoming remarks.
To give us his welcome message, let's give him a warm round of applause. Okay. Thank you so much, Sherwin, for that inspiring message. Before we continue, we would also like to take a moment to acknowledge the presence of our offshore leaders who are here with us tonight. First, Mark Kaiserman, VP Professional Services, Satish Kumar Arunagiri, Senior Director Professional Services, and Victoria Hufford, Senior Director Global R&D Central and Programs. And last but not least, Elizabeth Murphy-Zyder, Director, R&D Central Americas. Your presence makes this celebration even more special. May we kindly invite all of our offshore leaders present tonight to come up on stage. May we kindly invite all of our offshore leaders present tonight to come up on stage and join us for a quick moment of recognition and join Sherwin for a toast.
Thank you. Thank you guys for including that. So if ever lang mag-initiate si Sherwin na invite sila agad, add na lang kayo. Pero if hindi nyo naman kayo invite yung offshore, kayo, let's proceed with what the script is. Di ba i-acknowledge natin yung presence nila. So baka lang kasi si Sherwin, i-invite niya, mauna siya mag-invite sa taas. If not, we proceed with the script. Yes. Yes, correct. Okay, thank you. Okay, so tapos na. So kunwari nag-glass na tayo. Shucks, wala pa yung ating catering services. But there should be glasses prepared. So ako yung nandito, I will be the one na lang to request that. Okay, sige. Tayo Jay, considering yung stage, mamaya medyo madilim. So we guide people up and down the stage kasi madilim siya, including the host. So kaming bahala po. Okay. Usher talaga. Yeah, charot. Okay, so after that, after the toasts, thank you leaders. Okay.
Thank you leaders.
So proceed tayo sa get ready for some excitement. So after this sir, punta na po tayo dun sa screen now. And now, get ready for some excitement. It's time for our first raffle draw. Next screen po tayo. Yung
Kunwari ako ba na si RC para may ka-partner siya?
Sige. Ayan. So may ad-lib ata kayo dyan, no? Si RC and si Maureen. So, okay. So kapag nandun na tayo sa part na ayan, may chismis pa. May chismisan pa to.
May chismisan pa.
Oo.
From after nila ma-introduce, then come up on stage.
Correct.
And then, chika-chika.
So pag i-draw na po yung 1,000 pesos, ito po yung screen na dapat lumabas. Clear po tayo dyan sa tech. So pag nasabi na yung 1,000, let's draw 1,000 pesos, this should be the screen. Hanggang ma-identify yung winners. So, kailangan ma-picturean natin yung winners. if we have the photo man, we need pictures ng winners para nakikita nila para alam natin kung sinong nanalo.
Oh,
Para lang may picture in case, alam mo may documentation. Pero we'll give them vouchers. So, sige, proceed tayo with your...
Thank you to all the leaders for joining us, and our program has officially begun. Good evening, everyone. I am Muriel Lamarena.
And I am RC Catelier, and we are your raffle masters tonight. Kunwari si Master RC. Wala kasi si RC, where RC? And wow, we have so many amazing prizes to give away tonight. Ikaw, Maureen, ano bang gusto mong prize tonight?
Of course, I'm manifesting one of the major prizes. I mean, who wouldn't want to win the iPhone 16 Pro or a brand new TV, right?
Yes, same here. But tonight isn't just about luck. It's about celebrating all of you Wanjans in the room tonight and making this night unforgettable. So, are you ready to win some prizes?
Let's hear some noise, Wanjans! Who's ready to take home those amazing prizes?
Ay, mukhang mahina, partner. So, let's ask them again. Are you ready to go, ganon, tapos, and then, go ahead.
Okay, mukhang excited namin lahat, but before we get started, let's make it official. This event is conducted in full compliance with the rules and regulations of the Department of Trade and Industry. We are joined tonight by our very own DTI representatives, Christine Dayan Labanda, Head of HR and the HR team, who are here to make sure everything runs smoothly. Now, may we request the Cambiolo to be placed at the center stage.
Thank you, Christine, for joining us in the first round of Bravo today. Before you start before you start picking the names of the first set of our winners, allow us to share with all our Wanjans a few reminders about our raffle tonight.
Raffle is open to all active employees of Genesis Philippines who are officially registered to the event and employees on shift in the hours of our celebration. All employees who registered at the event venue are given one raffle stub that serves as their official raffle entry. Our raffle is done manually, and all attendees have one chance in the raffle draw. If you won in the earlier rounds, that means that we will be naming a new set of winners in the next draw. All names will be verified by our HR team, and the winners must come on stage when their names are called. If the winner is confirmed to be at the venue and fails to come on stage in 15 seconds, a new winner will be drawn. Raffle entries from employees who are on shift have also been verified by our HR team, and each employee also gets one chance in the entire draw. Winners will receive a message from the Employee Experience and Engagement team after the event, and once the prizes are on hand and is ready for claim.
Thank you, Christine. Now, let's begin with the first 10 winners of 1,000 pesos. Makapag-abono pa ako.
Congratulations! Now, let's draw 10 more winners of 1,000 pesos.
Congratulations to our 20 winners. Grabe, start pa lang nakakita na natin excitement and sino talaga ang mga magaling mag-manifest for tonight's event. And now, let's add 10 more for tonight's raffle.
Congratulations to our first 30 winners of 1,000 pesos each, but we are not done yet. This time, let's draw 10 winners of 2020. Oh my God, mag-aabulo din ako. Let's draw 10 winners of 2,000 pesos.
Thank you so much, Christine and HR team, for keeping the excitement alive, and congratulations to all Wanjans who has just won for our first set of draws. And once again, winners will receive a message from the Employee Experience and Engagement team after the event, letting you know when your prizes are ready for claiming. So, hold on to those tickets and stay tuned. We'll see you at the office to claim your exciting rewards. That's RBO.
Hi, sis!
RC! You're here. I took your slot. for a moment. And then VO. VO for Gawad Kapitagan.
Akyat ka sa taas.
VO for Gawad Kapitagan. Ageless. Excellence. Achievement. Emcel, mag-ready ka na. So, ang next nun is Gawad Pitagan Award. So, LVO na lang. Excellence, Achievement, Innovation. Welcome to the Genesis Philippines Gawad Pitagan Awards. This program celebrates the hard work, dedication, and unique contributions of our employees, reflecting the spirit and values that makes us who we are. Please welcome to the stage Edsel Turalba, Technical Support Engineer, to introduce our speaker.
Sorry, may video. Sa bar. Wala sa bar?
Check.
Low.
Okay, ulit. Doon ako sa dulo ha. So, be ready. Please welcome to the stage Edsel Turalba, Technical Support Engineer, to introduce our speaker.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this evening where we won't just be having a good time with games and raffles. We have an extra special event planned tonight, and it's about shining the spotlight on our outstanding One-Gens. We have a special group of individuals who created the rewards and recognition program that is driven by One-Gens and uniquely Filipino. I am absolutely thrilled to introduce our Senior Manager, Global Finance, Ming Necesito. You all know Ming as a dedicated professional, but tonight, I want to highlight her as one of the key members of Gawad Pitagan, our very own rewards and recognition program. Let's hear more from her. All right, thank you, Ming, for that lively introduction. And everyone, here's a reminder from the Gawad Pitagan Committee.
Pause lang. Okay, so sir, itong part na to, pupunta tayo. Andiyan naman ako mag-stay later. Pero pag inano nila yung Gawad Pitagan, can you check sa slide yung next? So, 1,000 next. Okay, next po. Ay, yan. Yung una po. Sige. So, hosts, bago tayo, so, after ng intro nyo sa Gawad Pitagan, mag-pause kayo kasi ito yung video.
Oh, yan. So, mag-pause na.
Hindi, streaming kasi yun. Oh, sa taas.
Okay, after that, next video. Okay, so ito, video to nila.
Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey as we introduce our prestigious Gawad Pitagan Rewards and Recognition Program. This is the moment to shine a spotlight on the incredible talent and unwavering dedication that make our organization truly exceptional. We are thrilled to invite all of you to participate in this exhilarating initiative. Whether you're nominating an employee who consistently goes above and beyond, or celebrating the innovative spirit that propels our success, we your involvement is crucial to making this program
Okay,
a sound.
sige. After the video,
Imagine the joy.
sige. After that video, saka natin tatawagin si Ming. Oo. Kasi meron pa siya, ayan. May slide si Ming. Seminar. Charot. Hindi. So, yun. After video, call me. Tapos, susunod. Pag tinawag na po yung guest speaker, ito po yung isusunod.
Hello. Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Pagsubok sa microphone. Good evening, watchers. 1, 2, 3. Ladies.
Sa akin lang kasi napupunod ako.
So,
Kay Dean, tapos out na ako. Tapos ano,
ladies and gentlemen, hello, 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen.
hello, Don. Hello. Ay, ayun si Don. Don! Don! What's happening? Okay, mag-ano na ako, mag-thank you na kay Ming. Go na for ano, thank you kay Ming. Jay, ano po kay Don kung okay na to thank you kay Ming?
Hello. Ito na sana.
Ay, ito na pala. Okay na.
Uwi na sana. Teka muna.
Alright, thank you Ming for that lively introduction. And everyone, here's a reminder from the Gawad Bintagan Committee nominations for outstanding individuals who make difference and bring impact to our Genesis Philippines team will be accepted until December 29.
Ano ba yan?
Second raffle.
Voice over.
Voice over. Handa ka na ba?
Ay, ano?
Saan na nga? Carry balls.
We already. Okay.
Ako na ba?
Second raffle draw na tayo ha.
It's time for another exciting raffle draw. We've got more fantastic prizes waiting to be won. And let's see who the next lucky winner is. Please welcome back your game masters, Miri and Marcy, to help us with the draw. Let's get the winning streak going.
Maganda! I'm back watching! Yan, sobrang saya! Ang saya-saya! Masaya ka ba, Muri?
Yes, super happy!
Sobrang happy ni Muri, di ba? Okay, mga kawadyan. We are so back for another raffle. And for this time around, may we call on Christine Diane Labanda. Head of HR Philippines, our DTI representative for this evening. Because this time we'll give away 3,000 pesos, 10 lucky wanjans, and 10 winners of 5,000 pesos. Christine, are you ready? Ano pala ba, ma'am? Akin pala si Christine.
Alright, it looks like...
Akin muna siya. Tapos sila din. Tapos sila din our second raffle draw. May we call on Miss Christine Labanda, our HR head of Genesis Philippines.
Alright, it
Sabi
looks
namin kay
like...
Christine, sampot.
Alright, it looks like Christine and our HR representatives are all set and ready to bring the luck tonight. Now, let's keep the excitement going. Can we once again bring the Mahiwagang Tampiolo back on stage?
Hindi na yung microphone. O malakas lang yung boses. Tama naman yun. Congratulations to our 10 lucky winners! And thank you, Christine, for joining us on stage. So, congratulations. Tapos,
Ano na kami? 20 lucky win.
bakit 10 lang dito?
Kasi 3,000 and 5,000.
Oo. Ang dami yung opportunities. Congratulations to our 20 lucky winners, and thank you, Christine, for joining us on stage today. Mabuhay, Wanjan. Mabush.
Ako muna si Angela.
So, walang uplifting sound. Baka po merong uplifting sound.
Ano, yung thank you, Lord.
Or,
Parang uplifting.
yes.
It's time to shine a spotlight on some of the most vibrant and dynamic groups within our community. From fitness and photography to public speaking and performances, these wanted clubs foster a sense of belonging, making our community stronger and more connected. Tonight, we celebrate their achievements. Tonight, we celebrate their achievements and the incredible impact made. Get ready to be inspired as we present the Wanjan Club's highlights. Let's welcome our host, Angela de la Cruz, Customer Success Manager, who will take us through this exciting journey. Let's give her a round of applause.
Hello, Wanjans! We are just one second draw, but we already have a lot of winners. And for those names that are not drawn yet, do not read. We are moving later. If you are one of the lucky winners or simply just enjoying what we're witnessing so far, share your experience and excite on social media. And don't forget to use our official event hashtag. That is hashtag Genesis Philippines, YEC 2024, and Genesis Philippines or Genesis PH Excellence Ball and Experience Genesis Village. And speaking of exciting moments, throughout the year, our Wanjans Club has been instrumental in bringing our programs to life. Whether it's our vibrant culture initiatives, impactful wellness programs, or the many exciting events that made this year unforgettable, it's only fitting that we shine the spotlight on them and we give all we deserve. Recognition to some top contributors from our Wanjan clubs and have gone above and beyond. To tell us more and lead this special segment, let's welcome to the stage Don Chavasco Herbasio. Ikaw na sunod na, okay. Don Chavasco Herbasio, our Regional Experience and Engagement Manager. Let's give him a warm round of applause.
Okay, thank you. So, wala si Kenji here, pero sir, let's proceed with sa pag-akyat sa stage kasi wala si Kenji. So, pressure ako. Punta po tayo sa next slide.
Kasi kunyari neto, sa gawad tayo, di ba mas maganda yung
Check.
parang award
Oo. Tanong ko pala kasi
Sir,
wala nga pala kay
sige lang, okay lang.
Hindi kasi may practice.
So, after sabihin ni Drew, yung recognize them, sige, baba ko tayo, sir. Next. Okay, let's play this. Okay, so I will say few things, tapos next po tayo. Next po. Okay, so I will acknowledge Kenji as Volunteer of the Year for Global. Congratulations. And I would also like to call Anna and Christine, our Impact Together Ambassadors of the Year. And we'd also like to congratulate our top club members, Rick Estrellado. Please join us on stage, Marielle, Pam, and Jomar. So they will join me on stage for photo. Next po, after ng photo, we would also like to congratulate and recognize the top contributors for DE&I, or Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion, Joven, Joseph, Jane, and Jeneline. Photo, and then end of segment. Okay, what's next? Okay.
The moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. It's time to celebrate the stars of the ball. Our best dressed competition is now on.
Wala akong partner. Nasaan yung partner ko? Di ba dumarating?
After nun, kung walang audio, next video. Sir. Play na lang yan.
Tonight, we celebrate. May isa pang script dyan, Don.
Well, after
Saan
next.
Tonight, we celebrate those who have dazzled us with their style and elegance, slaying runway through this glamorous segment. Please join me in welcoming our hosts, Drew and Angela. Let's give them a big round of applause as we get ready to celebrate the best dressed stars of the ball.
What an incredible showcase of talent, speed, and dedication from our One-Gen clubs. And now, time to shift gears and turn up the glamour as we celebrate the most stylish and dazzling stars of the night. Wala yung partner ko, so next time.
Tonight, we're not just celebrating styles, but also personality and
Good question. To keep everything fair and transparent, we invited a mix of external judges from our vendors and Don Rivascio, original experience and engagement manager, to help us select the top 10 program. So Don, how we did become about our top 10 finalists? And then next up, Angela.
Okay, after that segment, kunwari na-announce na natin yung proceed tayo next speaker. Okay, so kunwari, meron na tayong top 4. Ito na po sila. Congratulations. Photo op. Sasasabihin pa ba tayo? Okay. Okay, next screen. So, intro to raffle. Sino ang magbabasa nila?
Ako.
Okay.
And now, it's time for another exciting part of the evening, our third raffle draw. Get ready for more thrilling prizes as we bring back to the stage our dynamic game masters, Nuri and RC.
Where's RC?
Okay, pag na-draw na po,
Okay.
screen, 10,000 winner, 10,005 winners. Picture. Congratulations. Next.
CSR.
Yes. Sige po. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present a segment that highlights our commitment to making a positive impact on our society. Our organization believes in giving back to the community and making a difference in the lives of those around us through various projects and partnerships which strive to create a better, more sustainable future forever. Please join me in welcoming our host, Amsel, who will introduce our guest speaker.
Hello again, Wonders, and as we celebrate our milestones and successes tonight, it's equally important that, to pause and reflect on how we can make a difference beyond ourselves. That is why this year, we're proud to partner with World Vision International to bring a special CSR activity into our celebration. To tell us more about this meaningful initiative, he is the brand advocate team leader at World Vision Development Foundation Incorporated. Please give a warm hand of applause to John Dominic Bodrostro.
Okay, tapos na si Dominic. Next po tayo.
Alright, thank you so much, Dominic, for sharing this wonderful initiative. Let's give them another round of applause. This CSR activity in partnership with World Vision International is a powerful reminder that our celebration isn't just about looking back on our achievements. It's about looking forward and making difference in the lives of others. Together, as Wanjans, we continue to show that excellence isn't just about what we achieve. It's about how we uplift and empower those around us. With that, please carry the spirit of generosity and positivity as we continue to enjoy the rest of this incredible evening. Thank you, Wanjans, for making this celebration impactful.
Next segment.
Stop ka dito, meron pa yan, brand advocate.
Sige po.
Ay, oo, kasi binago ko siya.
Get ready for a spectacular showcase of talent. To introduce this vibrant group of individuals, please welcome on the stage, Drew.
Thank you for your warm welcome, everyone, tonight. Are you still feeling excited? I'm sure you are. And we are thrilled to showcase each and everyone's talent and the creativity of the Wanjans Performance Club, a group of passionate individuals who have, poured their hearts and energy into making tonight's celebration even more special. So, Wanjans, get ready to be amazed and entertained! Let's give it a wondrous round of applause as we welcome the Wanjan Performance Club to the stage.
Okay, so during that time, dito po sila. So yung lines natin, dito lang natin i-focus kasi doon yung band. So after 30 minutes lang yon after ng band, we will proceed with the next raffle na. Okay, so next screen, sir. Ayan, so major raffle na po tayo. So, sa major raffle, sino yung nasa script na i-invite pa mag-draw?
Sila Christine.
Christine ulit. Okay,
Yeah.
sige. If Sherwin arrives by that time, isama natin si Sherwin.
Okay.
Para
Random.
siya ang kukuyugin.
Okay.
Charot.
Sa final draw.
Yes, sa final
Okay.
draw. Okay, kunwari nga, na-identify niya yung winners nitong mga prizes na to. Next, sir. Okay, so congratulations everybody. Introduction na po tayo ng closing na po tayo. Closing.
Voice over.
Si Miri yung
Sige, just okay. Kunwari na tawag.
wala nang voice over.
Music.
Sige, ako muna sila sila Miri. So congratulations again to all the winners. And now, to guide us through this post-event survey and share how your feedback helps us create even better celebrations, let's welcome back to the stage our main host, Drew.
What an unforgettable evening this has been, Wanjans. Are you still feeling energized? From incredible performances to exciting raffles and heartfelt moments, tonight was a truly celebration of excellence, creativity, and camaraderie. Before we move on to our exciting performances, we want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for being here today. Your presence and participation mean the world to us. We hope you enjoyed this event as much as we enjoyed it. Now, to help us make future events even better, please take a few moments to fill out our post-event survey. Your feedback is invaluable and will help us improve the experience for everyone. To submit the survey, simply scan the QR code displayed on the screen or follow the link. It only takes a few minutes and your responses are completely anonymous. While you're answering the survey, we'd like to acknowledge our fantastic hosting team. Please join us on stage. Angela de la Cruz, Customer Success Manager, Noriel Lamarena, Global Dispute Analyst, Emcel Toralba, Customer Success Technical Support Engineer, and Arce Cantilier, Customer Success Manager. Voice over and script, Angeles Almodal, Nicole Ramos, Talent Acquisition Team. Stage directing, Don Trabasco Servacio, Regional Experience and Engagement Manager. Remember, we have some incredible performances lined up, so stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the evening. And of course, the night doesn't end here. Ready na ba kayo sa party? Get ready for mesmerizing performance that will light up the stage. We are thrilled to introduce a group renowned for their stunning lead and fire poet performances. From corporate events to grand celebrations, they bring a unique and unforgettable experience that leaves everyone in awe. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the dazzling performances by Ala Boy Dancers!
Okay, sir, pag in-introduce na po yung Alab Boy Dancers, lights off po tayo lahat. As in, total lights off. Kasi LED lights yung gagamitin nila.
Baka before that, we may add reminders to audience to do not use flash, if ever.
Yeah, okay. We can do that naman din sa booth.
Okay.
Oo. Add na lang, or i-add na lang natin. Yes, okay. Tapos po nun, we're done. Yes, after.
After party.
All right, party people, who's ready to keep this energy going? Let's see those hands. Who are the party animals tonight? That's what we like to see. And now, to keep the vibes high and the party going, we have a special treat for you. Our next artist is a rising star in the DJ scene. He burst onto the music scene with his dynamic presence and has been making waves ever since. From winning the Sinulog DJ Mixing Championship to rocking the decks at the top venues like House Manila and the Pink Bar, this artist knows how to get the crowd moving.
Sige, pause muna, sir. So, hindi na natin kailangan i-introduce yung DJ. Kasi after ng POY, matik pasok na si DJ. So, rest na kayo by that time. Yeah, that's it. Yes. Yeah. Yes, thank you everybody. Ganyan na after alam mo. So, yun na po. Thank you.
Pwede ano po, last ano lang, yung try lang yung before si Miss Leia, i-introduce lang si Miss Leia, yung first part.
She will do her mic test, so do you want to do
Okay, sige po. Sige po, sabay ka na lang.
Thank you. You guys can start preparing. Okay, let's proceed sa performance. Pearl, are we ready? Okay, sige.
So, introduce mo siya.
Yes.
Good evening, Wajans! Welcome to the Excellence Ball.